I just gave it up. Ooh, good mama. Good mama. Get together. Stonington.
Oh, you got mommy's necklace. Okay. You ready? No, you're not quite ready. Oh.
That wasn't too good.
You want to go, but
yeah.
you haven't got your feet right yet.
He's watching that game. Okay.
Come on. Get the mommy. Mwah.
Time together.
You ready?
Woo! You die.
You always die for Grandma.
Good mama.
Oh, you're so good. You're so good at this. You ready?
Oh, darling. It's good for Mom. No, just a second. You gotta get your balance first.
Watch your feet.
Okay. No.
Okay? No, you're not gonna make it.
Probably getting tired.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. That's my fault.
You have to make sure he's balanced before you let go.
You ready?
No, here's your grandma. No, why does he mouth? Okay, needs a hug. Tired boy.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Okay. What?
Sorry, darling. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Stand still. Oh, stand still. No, you're getting tired. Oh, hug. Sweet darling. Yeah. Whoa. No, he's getting tired.
Yeah.
That's enough.
That's enough.